So right now we having a little issue here with the shifter, K-tune shifter. This is in my car. For some reason, it is a weird ass size. We tried a 7, a 6. We brought the whole case over here. None of them work. What size you got there? Try them on your car first.
932. They're different. My shit was a 6 or 7. That's the weird part.
I must have Canadian boats. It's their own sizes and stuff. Tampoco. Here goes my little control arm, my vibrant. We removed the control arm. Well, Pito did. Control arm and the sway bar. We're gonna take the muffler out of here and we're gonna put it over there. He already took his hood exit off. You guys already seen that, or I might put in the clip after this. You never know. Fellas are here. It's about another hot one. It's like 80 degrees outside and about 120% humidity. If that's even how you measure it in percentages. Huh? ¿Sabes con qué yo creo que we put that on? I got some. You want some? So if you didn't know, the EG exhaust is shorter than the EK. Anyways, the EG exhaust is shorter than the EK. We got it on there though. Headers is on. The vibrant is on. Full 3-inch. Gotta put the control arm on. Good to go. Yeah, we had to take my control arm off as well. We put that all back on. I don't care. Alright, so just put the full exhaust on and we're gonna go for a spin.
Here we have it, guys.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we go. We're going for a spin. The vibration. I'll show you my setup in a second. Still cutting up. Still on the race. On the race gas tune. So maybe with some M5, she'll do a little better. I'm gonna see if we want to put some M5 in her now. Alright, so one of the coil packs was loose. Prendete el fuel pump. Oh, no? Hello. Outtake. Outtake, dile algo a la gente.
It's probably the tuner. The
I don't.
Still breaking up, right? It's Layelena really. Bring it up till it misses.
En la pista. What if you clean them like you did at the track?
Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Because
O-rings.
I don't have O-rings. And that's not even how you clean them.